This is a hydrocolloid patch roll that is designed to be cut to your preferred size rather than having to use small pre-cut dots.
The outer packaging highlights that it is medical grade, hypoallergenic, waterproof, and designed for all-day hold. And inside is a continuous roll that can be customized depending on the area you need to cover.
You can cut it into small pieces for individual blemishes or larger pieces for broader areas. To apply, just make sure your skin is clean and dry. For display purposes, I'm going to show you on my arm because I've got some makeup on. And then you're just going to gently peel this backing away. And then just press it gently onto the area for about 10 seconds to secure it in place.
The material is semi-transparent, so it blends into the skin incredibly well, and it even stays discreet under clothing.
It's designed to stay in place for up to 24 hours, even through showers and workouts.
And it does remove gently without leaving any kind of sticky residue.
So if you prefer just being able to cut your own size instead of relying on small pre-cut sizes, like little pimple dots, this is a really solid choice.